Hi, this is Anu and welcome to my channel Anu Loves Art. Today's video is about a product design DIY project. I had a lot of fun working on this project and would like to share with you the design process, ideation, and how I could create a fully functional product. If you like my videos, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel Anu Loves Art. I hope you enjoy this video. This was my broken mobile stand, which I could have fixed using some strong adhesive such as Fevikwik. Then a thought came across my mind. Why not add some more features and enhance the design and make the stand more stable? I was very excited about putting the designer's cap on. I started going around the house trying to find old household objects, scrap materials that I can use in this project. Now to the drawing board. I started making sketches and soon realized that I needed something heavy at the base of the stand. The earlier design had a disc which was heavy, but the overall design looked always unstable to me. So I decided to add some element which was heavy at the base of the stand. I found this old plastic spray bottle. After cutting off the top, the height, size, shape almost worked perfectly. Well, almost. Of course, I have to add some weight at the base. Since this was a plastic bottle, I added a base coat with white glue, acrylic paint and wall putty. Then I added 2 coats of black acrylic paint. Since this was a hollow bottle, it was very easy to make it heavy. I just simply added some sand. And now I had the heavy base that I required for the stand to remain stable. The stand was almost ready and functional. Now the best part, adding the bells and whistles. To add the third dimension, I used Fevikwik molded clay to create some geometrical patterns on the base. Since this is a mobile phone stand, didn't want to make it very colorful, so decided to keep overall color scheme as black, which is less distractive. Just to add some interest, added some bands of color at the base of the stand. To protect the stand, I added 2 coats of varnish. This is the final product, a fully functional, decorative, sturdy mobile phone stand. I had great fun exploring and creating some unique piece from a discarded household object. Hope you found this video inspiring. So be creative, and if you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Anu Loves Art. Until next time, bye-bye.